गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हैं आप लोग। चलिए आज शुरू करते हैं। विल कंटिन्यू द चैप्टर इंडिया साइज एंड लोकेशन। द रिमेनिंग पार्ट वी विल डू टुडे along with the question answers. Just as we have completed that part, that to avoid the time lag between the two places, Arunachal Pradesh and Gujarat, we have taken one standard meridian of India, that is 82 degree 30 minutes east. Now we will go through that in what is the position of India in the world. We can say that it is unique in the world. The position of India is unique. Now how can you say that it is unique? So first we will see that it is located in South Asia and completely in the center, as you can see in the map also. So it is having the connectivity with Eastern Asia, Australia, along with that from here to Japan, then from here Africa, then South America, North America, Europe through the Suez Canal. They have constructed the Suez Canal here, and it is connecting Europe also. So in this manner, all around the world it is having the connectivity, and which is helping it in the making the trade relationship between the other countries since the ancient period. Lothal was the oldest seaport through which in ancient time the people were having the trade relations with India. Now these since after the development, after the construction of Suez Canal, it is having lot of connections with each country, each part of the world. Secondly, we see that it is protruding in the Indian Ocean, creating the largest coastal line, and this coastal line is having many seaports which are very much busy: Kolkata, Visakhapatnam, Chennai, and here you can see that Thiruvananthapuram and Maharashtra and different places. These are having all the places are giving good connectivity with the places. So, and it is creating the largest peninsula in the world also. What is a peninsula? The triangular part surrounded by the water on the three sides is called as the peninsula. Now third point you can write about it third point you can write about it, that no other country is there in the world which is having the name of any ocean on the name of the country, but only India is there in the world which is having the name of the country of the ocean which is located in the south on the name of India, that is Indian Ocean. Now next fourth point we can take about it, that the country has contributed in the world's history through the ages. It is having a good relationship with different countries, and various passes in the Himalayas are also there, just like Khyber Pass, Bolan Pass, and many passes are there through which the different traders were coming since long ages. And while the oceans are also, when the oceans were restricted in that time, then they were having the trade relations with the these passes, and now all over the world through, you can see in the map also, that through the airways, through the waterways, and through the land routes, India is in well connectivity and they are having good contribution in the world. Now, fifth point we can take that it has contributed in the exchange of ideas also. Which ideas? You can see that different Upanishad, Ramayana, Panchatantra and numerology. The concept of zero has been given by India. The concept of decimal has been given by India. And mostly in the other trade relations are there because of the different goods. Just like that spices, Indian spices are very much famous in the world, and muslin and gems, many more things are there. Even we have taken the sculpture of other countries, and our country's sculpture has been adopted by others. Just like Greek culture we have taken in the Indian Greek sculpture pattern, we have taken in the minarets. Different buildings or buildings are there, whatever minarets we are taking, that dome and other type of styles or different styles are there, we have taken from the world. Now let us see the Indian neighbors. India is in India is having the neighbors. These neighbors are, you can see, China, Nepal, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Myanmar, Pakistan, Afghanistan, and in south we are having Sri Lanka, and here we are having Maldives Islands. So these are the main bordering countries of India which are surrounded, and two island countries. Can you name the two island countries? Yes, these are Sri Lanka and Maldives. These two island countries are there which are the close relationship, the good relationship with India, and they are best neighbors of us. And Sri Lanka and now Sri Lanka is separated from India through a narrow strait, that is Palk Strait. Now Palk Strait is, what is a strait? Yes, strait is the narrow channel between the two big land bodies, that is a strait. So Palk Strait is dividing India and Sri Lanka, and the Gulf of Mannar, that Gulf of Mannar, this is the Gulf of Mannar. You can see this is the Gulf of Mannar. Now what is the Gulf? When the water of any big water body entering into the making the space there, making that gap, that is Gulf. And while Maldives Islands are situated to the south of Lakshadweep, I have told you that to the south of Lakshadweep, the Maldives are located. This is Lakshadweep Island and this is Maldives Islands, right? India has had strong geographical and as well as historical links also with the neighboring countries. You can study it more with the help of atlas. You will find that Asia is having a very good position. The Asian countries are having very good position in the contribution. And now let us see the question answers and MCQ. In the first MCQ, that is, choose the right answer from the 4 alternatives given below, and the topic question is the topic of cancer does not pass through, and the names are given, and Odisha, from Odisha it is not passing through. Then second, the eastern longitude of India is, which is the easternmost longitude, which you have studied already, that is 97 degree 25 minutes east. It means A is the correct answer. Then third, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, Sikkim and are having the common frontiers with which country? The name of different countries are given. India is having the common boundary with Nepal. These states are having the common boundary with Nepal. Now 4 and 5 are also given. You have to do it yourself and with the help of the reading of the chapter in your book, and answer the following question. Name the group of islands lying in the Arabian Sea. Which are there? Lakshadweep Islands in Arabian Sea. Name the countries which are larger than India. I have told you that India is 7th largest country, so you have to write the names of the larger countries, means first 6 countries which are larger than India with the help of atlas. Then which island group of India lies to the southeast? Which island group? Southeast, that is, yes, Andaman Nicobar Island. Which island countries are our southern neighbors? Yes, these are Sri Lanka and Maldives Islands. Now there are 2 questions. The sun rises 2 hours earlier in Arunachal Pradesh as compared to Gujarat in the west, but so for that I have already told you the answer given on page number 2, and I have explained it also. So I think you can do. And the 4th question, 5 points I have told already you with the headings. You can do it, and map already you are done. Thank you for today.